Oh. That sucks. I hate when my girlfriend's the last one alive. We didn't kill anybody this time.
Oh fuck, got my knuckle and my arms.
Ow.
Oh, shot me right in the chest. Oh dude, when I first squat down, I think I crushed my nuts.
Maybe it's just you!
Probably calling us assholes right now.
I think Rafa shot me in the leg.
I think I shot in the
If you get within 20 feet of her, just call bang.
I almost forgot about that rule.
Yeah. That's why I was gonna run up on Rafa and do it, or knife him or something. But it didn't.
Respawn.
Oh, I want to. I'm having a protection issue right now. I'm like, I want to kill them.
Like I could get him right here, just fall over his back. Initiation.
That's the end of that round. You alright?
Man, your gut's pissing me off right now.
Why? What's it doing?
It keeps jamming or something. I'm shooting and it's not shooting.
Let me see. Here, hold the camera. It's you and Rafa.
I don't even know where the fuck he's at.
I'd help you, but I'm dead.
I know. Was it on semi or auto?
It was on. I switched it to auto,
Fucking up on semi then?
and then on auto too. That's out now, but
I hope that BB
I think it's stuck.
There was a BB that I found half of last night in the bot on the container.
He's right there under the
Yeah,
mattress.
I hope that.
Under the mattress. Under the mattress. It's really hard to see. He's way over there.
Record what you can. I see him.
Go now, go now, go now. Go, go, go. Move up, move up. Y'all are in the line of fire. Steven, he moved. Rafa is fast like a deer.
Huh?
He is fast like a deer.
Yeah, he's good.
He doesn't even realize.
Oh no.
Yeah, and I can't say shit because I'm dead.
Oh fuck.
Huh? We probably need to move. Because we're right in the line of fire.
I'm fine. If I get shot, I get shot. I gotta try to make sure that it's still working.
We have a standoff. Alright, I'm not.
I wanted to tell you.
We can't tell you! It's cheating!
Go Rafa.
He's a freaking ninja, I'll tell you what.
You got hit.